Hey, welcome back to another rousing rendition of Rowley with Rowley. All right, tonight we're gonna do some moto camping out here with Mob Street and Scatterdad.
I don't know that this can specifically be moto camping. Truck.
Hey, we're braving the elements.
Fair enough.
I want to see what kind of gear they all set themselves up with. Try and stay warm through the night. I'm anticipating low teens, maybe single digit Fahrenheit as a low tonight. What's Scatterdad have?
I've got 2 sleeping bags, and let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I only got 5 blankets.
Sounds warm.
But I got 5 blankets. Mr. Rowley with Rowley. He's got his Eskimo tent. There's a little heater in there that Mr. Rowley's gonna be sleeping with. This is his ice fishing tent.
Ice fishing tent.
Oh, a tarp and his pad. Little pad, right?
Yep.
A blow up pad.
My moto camping
I
pad.
almost brought mine. So he's gonna be nice and toasty. Then we got Mr. Mob Street here.
What up?
And he's got a problem.
Define problem.
It's all relative.
Does it zip up?
Yeah, it zips up.
Little
the way.
piggly
Yeah,
wigglies might
like
get cold.
legit.
So the problem is solved. There was no problem. I apologize. Yes, see, look at that. See, if you had a generator, you could plug a heater in.
Yeah.
Solar panel.
Space heater. Next trip.
Go green. Go green. Yamaha.
And then we're waiting for one more vehicle. We'll put it right there.
We have a guest. We have a guest tonight. Mr. Hanbrake Jake. Check out this setup. Carpet kit, foam pad,
Memory foam.
memory foam.
Yeah, I'm gonna freeze still,
Like-
but it's gonna be.
Like the memories it's created. Oh, if that memory foam could talk.
Dude, warm soup on a cold night is awesome. I can't tell how much is left though. That
But I
sunset
figured
was
as soon as you
unreal,
came in
dude.
here, you'd
That
see
was
it.
spectacular.
That
Yeah.
What do I got where? This is fat.
In your kangaroo pouch.
This is fatty. So, camping 101.
Point 1.
Oh, sorry. I zoned out a little bit. Hey, so Huggies, they make these wet wipes here. You're probably familiar with, and I'm sure a lot of people are who have kids, but Camping 101, link down below in the description. It's Chad's description, I guess. This is Chad's video. He'll put a link to my Amazon account. Then you go get yourself some Huggies. When you're camping and you gotta visit the toilet, you can clean up and smell fresh.
Yamaha.
Dude, this is like a
and me
legit
are hauling
full-on Yamaha trip. Ready?
Later, dudes.